In this video, I'll be showing you how you can have two mobile apps in one mobile device without using any app. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. On the home screen of your mobile device, locate the app you want to clone. If I want to clone Facebook, I will simply tap and hold on Facebook, then tap App Clone. And this app will be cloned. This is the cloned app now. This is the original one, while this is the one I just cloned. Here, I can log into any account on Facebook I want to log in. Next one is to choose any account just like we did with Facebook. If I want to clone WhatsApp, I will simply tap on App Clone, and this app will be duplicated. You can see my WhatsApp now too. Another way you can clone any app, be it Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, any app at all, is to tap on the settings on your mobile device. Tap on apps and notifications. Depending on the model of your phone, this might differ. Here, select App Clone. From here, you can choose any app you want to clone. If I want to clone Instagram, I will simply make sure that this is turned on. You can see this app is cloned. So I will head to my home screen and I will look for Instagram. You can see Instagram is now cloned. One is the one my Instagram account is logged into. This is another one. I will simply log into the next account I want to use on this device. This is how you can have two apps on one mobile device. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.